A very good day to Madam Rajarosana. I am Subaloshini Shanmugam. My metric number is A19A0901 and I am currently doing my internship at Cohu Malaysia Sendirian Berhad at Malacca. Background of industry. Cohu is a company involved in the semiconductor industry. It provides test and handling equipments, thermal subsystems, and related service to semiconductor manufacturers worldwide. The company's background can be summarized as follows. Units or department involved. Firstly, test handler develops and manufactures automated test handling equipments used in the semiconductor testing process. Secondly, test interface. It designs and produces interface solutions that connect the semiconductor devices under test to the test handler. Then, thermal subsystems. It develops and supplies temperature control system used in the testing and production of semiconductors. Then, Semiconductors Equipment Group (SEG). It offers a range of products and services for the semiconductor industry, including test contactors, test sockets, and test contacting solution. Finally, consumables. It provides a variety of materials and supplies used in semiconductor testing and handling process. Then, role of each unit or department. Firstly, test handler. Test handlers design, develop, and manufacture automated equipments that performs pairwise testing of semiconductor devices. Then, test interface. It creates interface solution to ensure accurate and reliable connection between the test handler and the semiconductor devices being tested. Then, thermal subsystem. It develops and supplies temperature control system to maintain the desired operating conditions during semiconductor testing and production. Then, Semiconductor Equipment Group. It offers a comprehensive portfolio of semiconductor test and handling equipments, including contactors, sockets, and related solutions. Then, finally, consumables. It provides materials and supplies necessary for the semiconductor testing, such as test sockets, probe cards, and other consumable items. Companies' operating activities such as Cohu operating activities primarily revolve around the design, development, manufacturing, and distribution of semiconductors, test and handling equipment, thermal subsystem, and related consumables. They collaborate with semiconductors manufacturers to improve testing efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure the reliability of semiconductor devices. Then, business environment. Cohu operates in the dynamic and highly competitive semiconductor industry. The company faces challenges related to technological advancement, rapid product development cycle, and the need to meet the ever-increasing demands for high-performance semiconductor devices. The business environment also involves close collaboration with semiconductor manufacturers to align with their specific testing requirements and adapt to market trends and changes in customer preference. Scope of exposure to students. The scope of exposure to me is as a spare part officer to handle customer spare parts commercial and order fulfillment. I assist spare part officer to liaise with forward or courier as and when necessary, including generating available to cater for shipment purpose. To assist spare part officer to manage the administrative tasks like printing of shipping documents, preparation of available, validation of customers' POs via shipping documents, liaise with warehouse personnel on the shipping documents, and shipment process verification on proof of delivery and failing. There are 3 stages in shipping process, which is receiving the order, processing the order, and fulfilling the order. Receiving the order. Once get an order, I must ensure that I have adequate inventory on hand to fulfill the request. For this process, I check it in spare report whether we have the stock or not. Then processing the order. In this process, I assist spare part officer to process customers and intercompany transfer orders and arrange for shipment of orders. I've checking order data and ensuring its accuracy, confirming the delivery address, quantity of the order, special requirements by the customer. Much of this procedure is frequently automated and technological, which can help to accelerate the order processing step. The order status is then updated in real time and clients are alerted that their purchase is being handled. Then fulfilling the order. In this process, I assist spare part officer to handle customer spare part commercial and order fulfillment. I make sure the items are collected at right time by third-party logistic, which use third-party logistic partner like DHL, FedEx, TNT, UPS to fulfill the order. They handle the full e-commerce fulfillment process, including warehousing, creating picking lists, packaging boxes, and delivering orders, among other things. The order fulfillment step commences after the order has been processed. This entails selecting the appropriate item for the order and preparing them for shipment. Contribution to industry. Firstly, inventory management. Good shipping practice help in inventory management. I assist minimize stockouts, save inventory, holding costs, and increase overall supply chain visibility by coordinating shipments and assuring exactly delivery timings. Then, customer happiness. I help to improve customer happiness by assuring on-time and correct delivery of items. I give real-time shipment tracking information, discuss any delays or difficulties in advance, and coordinate with customer support teams to quickly handle consumer complaints. Furthermore, consolidate shipments. Consolidation can save transportation expenses, increase load effectiveness, and lessens carbon emission. So, if the shipment comes from the same customer with same incontents, then I combine those shipments. Suggestions for improvement. Firstly, automated process. Cohu should implement automation technology such as barcode scanner, RFID, radio frequency identifications, tags, and automated sorting system to speed up the cargo process, reduce manual mistakes, and increase overall efficiency, because items that are manually scanned by packers do not always enter the system. Cohu should utilize automated technologies to reduce such issues. Then, optimize packaging. Cohu should evaluate and optimize packaging materials and process to provide optimal products protection while minimizing waste. Shipping costs and environmental effect may be reduced by using efficient packing. We have had this problem twice because of improper packaging, which caused the item to break and return to us. Furthermore, employee empowerment and training. Cohu should offer through training programs to personnel engaged in the cargo process. Provide them with the skill, information, and tools they need to do their duties efficiently. Encourage employee participation, innovation, and ownership in order to generate continual progress. Then, sustainable initiative. Cohu should to contribute to the shipping industry, sustainability efforts may benefit both the firm and the environment. Cohu can look into eco-friendly shipping solutions, encourage the use of sustainable packing materials, or work with carriers who prioritize environmental stewardship. For example, Cohu should select eco-friendly logistics in shipping method. Challenges of task execution. Firstly, need to be quick and ethical. It is a significant challenge for me to do 8 to 9 shipments every day. There are several procedures involved in setting just one shipment. Incoming bills are frequently inaccurate, causing me to rush to contact SSR to match it or settle it on my own. Sometimes there are special requirements from SSR like checking HTS, calculate accurate item, net weight, sending email once the shipment down, double check the price, and more. I should be more careful in price while creating available because a single error might cost me a lot of money. Then, daily completion and presentation of the SPR report. Besides doing the quick and ethical, I need to do SPR report every morning before 10 o'clock then need to present it in daily SPR review meeting. It's take time for me to understand each and every step of first to do the SPR report because it's long procedure which take about 1 hour to settle. Sometimes my supervisor asks some question regards SPR report to make me understand more. Furthermore, technology adoption. I need to leverage technology solution to enhance task execution and need to stay competitive. Implementing and integrating transportation management system, warehouse management system, checking and visibility tools, and other technologies being complex and require substantial investment. So it takes time for me to adopt these technologies properly. Finally, multitask challenging. It takes time for my brain to regroup and get back into the flow of each work when I move between multitask frequently. The more tasks I try to tackle at once, the more likely I am to make mistakes. I made several mistakes as a result of distractions, a lack of attention, or not devoting enough time to each work. Added value in student knowledge. Firstly, development of skills. I get the opportunity to learn and hone a variety of vital skills as a spare part trainee. These abilities include of technical expertise unique to my areas as well as communication, teamwork, problem solving, time management, organization, and critical thinking. By doing actual work during internship, I am able to learn new skills and develop my exciting ones. Furthermore, sector exposure. Internship exposed me to the corporate workplace culture at Cohu. I may see seasoned experts at work and pick up knowledge from them about Cohu's specific practices, expectations, and needs. I was able to build a related professional path and match my academic knowledge with industrial demands thanks to this exposure. Additionally, useful application. Through internship, I am able to put the theoretical information I have learned in my course to use in practical settings. I can better comprehend the topic of study by working on real projects that demonstrate how concepts and theories are used in practices. Finally, potential networking contacts. I frequently get the opportunity to meet and develop contacts with individuals in my sector through internships. Since these relationships may result in mentorships, job recommendation, and other chances, networking can be extremely beneficial for future career prospects. During internship, I can develop a strong professional network that might help me get jobs once I graduate. Thank you.